Hi, my name is Holland, and I'm a licensed commercial drone pilot and a real estate salesperson. In this ongoing series of GLS video previews, I'm going to showcase you an aerial drone preview of the upcoming Holland Plain GLS tender exercise, which is set to close in early May 2026. As you can see here, I'm standing on the actual Holland Plain GLS site. So this place is located in the landed neighborhood around Old Holland Road area, and this 99-year leasehold site has an estimated site area of 169,175 square feet and can yield an estimated 280 housing units. Right in front of it, as you can see right now, is the Holland Link GLS site that was successfully awarded to Sim Lian Group in July 2025 for $368.37 million or a land rate of $1,422 PSF the plot ratio. And at this drone height, you can catch glimpses of the Bukit Timah landed neighborhood and the Holland Green Linear Park nearby. Do take note that this site, along with the Sim Lian's Holland Link site, is located next or close to the Fong Yun Thai Association Columbarium, as you can see in the video with the rounded structure earlier. Right now you can see the Holland Green Linear Park and the surrounding landed neighborhood around Bukit Timah landed neighborhood area. And the construction is now ongoing for the Sim Lian's Holland Link GLS site. This video was shot on a weekend afternoon in early April 2026. And at this height, you can also see various locations including Orchard Road area as well. So as we approach to the end of this video, if you have any questions or comments about the development, do get in touch with me. Or if you are seeking for a commercial drone pilot for your next upcoming project, or if you are a real estate salesperson who wants or wishes to look for real estate collaboration opportunities, do get in touch with me, and my WhatsApp number will be shown next. Thank you and have a good day. And do click the like and subscribe button if you find this video enjoyable. Thank you.